everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on Bumble. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page of apps, you will search about Bumble. In this page of app info, you will go here to first stop and you will click OK. Then we click on storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will go to Play Store. You will search about Bumble app and you will click here in this page. And then we'll update your app if you find updates here. So please